Morning, everybody. I think it's going to be a great day. We've got a lot to do in the next 2 days. We've got today and tomorrow, and they're talking rain on Thursday. So my goal, and like I say, goal, I don't know if it'll be accomplished or not, is to get 2 fields cut off of beans and get those 2 fields planted with wheat before it rains. We'll see. Most of you know I do all this pretty much by myself. I do have help on occasion, but for the most part I do a lot of it myself. Today I'm not going to have a whole lot of help, I don't believe. So what we need to do is, first thing this morning while the dew's on, I'm going to, let's walk over here. I'm going to get the wheat seed here loaded into the seed wagon, so that's ready to go. I need to grease the seed wagon. I need to go get the big plow tractor that's over in the field that we finished yesterday. I need to bring that back. I need to get the globe, the satellite globe off of it, and put it on the 8430. And then once beans are done, once I harvest those 2 fields of beans, I have to pull the grain cart off the 8430 and get the 8430 hooked up to the planters, which are right here. Once I get this hooked up, I can pull it out, I can check tire pressures real quick, I can grease it real quick and get the seed loaded in it, and then I can go plant wheat. So it's a lot to do and ask, but the hardest part is getting everything moved around. The longest part is going to be cutting the beans off. Planting goes relatively quick. Loading and everything goes relatively quick. So there's a lot to do in basically 48 hours. So we're going to get done what we can get done, and I'm hoping that the fields that I'm going to be cutting off are actually dry fields that I can plant into, because if there's standing water and the combine's leaving ruts, I can't plant wheat there. So there's a lot of ifs and variables going on here. So come along for the ride. Let's see what we can get done in the next day or 2. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I noticed in the last 2 videos where I have the camera mounted in the cab of the tractor and the combine talking, it's very hard to hear myself or hear me talking to you. It's hard to hear me over the camera, over the noise of the tractors and everything else. Does that make sense? But anyway, I have an external microphone for the phone, or for the camera, not phone, sorry. I'm going to clip that on my shirt and plug that into the camera when I'm in the cabs talking to you guys, and I'm going to see if that helps. It makes my nasally, nasty sounding voice a little better. I'm going to try it in this video and see if it works. If it works, then I'll continue doing it throughout the rest of harvest and planting season next year and blah blah blah. But if it doesn't work in this video, then I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. So we'll try that out. So if you see a little microphone, little poof ball or whatever attached here, that's what that is. So alright, let's get rolling. I got the big tractor back. I pulled out the seed wagon there, getting ready to load seed into the seed wagon, and the backhoe's dead. Awesome. So now I got a battery charger on it running so I can charge the battery. Garbage. But it is what it is. Hopefully I can be loading seed here soon.